A professor was once conducting his routine research. He filled a large glass of tank with water and dropped in a shark. Then one by one he added small fishes into the same tank. The shark, hungry and fierce, quickly attacked and ate every single small fish. The professor watched silently. Then he placed a transparent glass portion in the middle of the tank. On one side, the shark, the other side, empty. Then he dropped more small fishes into the side away from the tank. The shark saw them, it tried to attack, bang! It hit the invisible wall again and again and again until it got hurt and gave up. The next day, the professor removed the partition. Now the shark could swim freely again. The small fishes were just inches away, but the shark didn't even try because in its mind, that wall still existed. This is a story of most people who want to start their own business. You've seen others succeed, you have felt the urge, but every time you think of starting, a mental wall stops you. I don't have capital, I don't have the experiences, my family background doesn't support it. What if I fail? What if I lose everything? These invisible walls are not real, but they have stopped you for years. If you want to break these walls, if you want to take the first real step towards starting your business, you must attend this Business Launchpad program by Boss Wallah. Let me tell you why. This is not just another seminar. It's not about theory. It's a hands-on, high-impact one-day workshop that will help you go from I want to start to I have started. We begin with what matters the most, mindset. Not everyone is wired to be a boss, but if you want to be one, you must build that mindset. The first session will help you reprogram your thinking to think like an entrepreneur, not an employee. Then comes the most powerful segment of the day, live case studies. You'll hear directly from 4 successful entrepreneurs, each from a different field: food, retail, services, beauty and wellness. They'll share how they started, what struggles they faced, how they overcome them, and where they are today. You'll see yourself in their stories and maybe you'll even find a partner for your future business. Now by this point, your brain will be buzzing with ideas. But the next question hits. Which one should I choose? That's where our next session helps you discover the right business idea for you. We use a time-tested psychological framework to align your skills, passion, strengths, and the market need to arrive at the idea that fits you best. This isn't generic, it's deeply personal because every great business starts with the right alignment. During the lunch break, we continue the journey, a breakout session where you'll interact with your peers, validate your ideas, and finalize your plan with the help of mentors sitting at your table. Once your idea is clear, the next step is to set up your business legally. Should you register a proprietorship, an LLP, a private limited company? What licenses do you need? What contracts should you prepare? You'll get crystal clear guidance on the legal path, no jargons, just what you need to start right. Then we move to managing money. Most businesses don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because the founder didn't understand finance. In this session, you learn how to separate business and personal money, how to track income and expenses, how to plan capital, how to stay compliant with GST, TDS and other filings, and how to manage your finances, whether or not you hire a CA. Simple systems, real tools, real control. Now comes the lifeline of your business, customers. We'll show you how to acquire and retain customers using both online and offline strategies. Google Business, WhatsApp, Instagram, flyers, stalls, referrals, CRM basics, retention techniques that create loyal customers. Because if people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you, right? Visibility is equal to survival. Trust is equal to growth. At the end of the day, you'll present your business idea to the room. Each participant gets a chance to pitch on stage, get feedback, and celebrate the launch of their entrepreneurial journey. You'll receive your certificate, take professional photos, and build real connections through our networking event. And through every session, you'll use your Launchpad workbook. This is not just notes, okay? It's your personal blueprint, a roadmap you'll carry long after the event. From idea selection to execution planning, marketing to legal checklists, this workbook becomes your GPS. Each participant also gets a welcome kit with your Boss Wallah t-shirt, notepad, pen and more. Lunch is included. All of this in a premium 5-star setting. This is not just a workshop. This is a launch pad. The day that changes everything. The day you stop waiting and start building. Seats are limited. The time is now. Join us at the Business Launchpad program on 14th June 2025 in Bengaluru, 21st June 2025 in Chennai, 28th June 2025 in Vijayawada. Break your mental barriers, build your business, become your own boss.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.